Sa boy area, working hard on music language, slang words, love and behavior concerning boyfriend relationship, trendy clothing, music that stir up the flesh, looking down on the students in good grades, rebellious attitude towards people in authority. Although mga igsoon, ang mga guro sila na ito skip, pero na mga nasave na pagkitaw, pili kung diha-diha na yun, nangaran siya magbukang gila yung mga igsoon. This is, nanay ka po niya siya mapagbago ng igsoon. Hindi niya siya madali, nausap na yan at nausap na tao. Pero pinangalan siya, inanay din. Hindi siya pinapalit, hindi siya instant bang nausap o mabago din. Pinangalan, nabuhin siya, palamit, pinangalan din siya maghimong normal and formal atubangan sa Ginoo bisan dyan sa mga iso. Pero and then sa labas, clearance sa labas is not chasing the demand of outward indication as a sense of life. Although we are previously pointed out for matter which must necessarily be ended, yet this only enable us to recognize principles. They are not rules which demand that we put an end to such matters. We are practicing the clearance of the past, what needs to be ended really depends on the sense of life. Therefore,